This particular topic is basically just the same as if you were substituting in for a variable. So they give you the equation that they want you to use, and you just plug in 1, 2, 3, and 4. You go to 4 because they're asking for the first 4 terms. So you can see in this example how they show you that everywhere there's an n, they plug in the number 1. So when n equals 1, a sub 1 equals 2 times 4 to the 1 minus 1. 4 to the 0 power is just equal to 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So you just do 2 times 1, which is 2. This just means a sub 1 just means the first term is 2. Then you plug in 2, 3, and 4 for n. You use the same equation that they gave you. So you have a sub 2 equals 2 times 4 to the 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 to the first power is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then you do it again with 3, and you do it again with 4. So let's do some examples to find the first 4 terms. We're going to, here, let's write this down. We're going to plug in 1. So when n equals 1, we have a sub 1. That just means the first term. It's going to be 2 times 3 to the 1 minus 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 to the 0 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So that's my first term. I'll type in 2. For my second term, we're going to have a sub 2 equals 2 times 3 to the 2 minus 1. So that's 2 times 3 to the first, which is 3. So your next term is 6. So we'll plug in a 6. And we'll find the third term, and we have a sub 3 equals 2 times 3 raised to the 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we are doing 3 to the second power, which is 3 squared, or 9. 2 times 9 is 18. So we are going to type in 18 for our next term. So we have 18. We have one more to find, and that is a sub 4, fourth term. 2 to the 3, no, 2 times 3 to the 4 minus 1, which is 3 cubed, which is 27. So 2 times 27 is 54. So that will be our last term, 54. So we'll go ahead and just do one more example, just so you can kind of get some more practice. Again, we're finding the first 4 terms. So we'll start with the first one. A sub 1 equals, and we're going to do 3 times negative 4 to the 1 minus 1, which remember that that's going to be equal to negative 4 to the 0, which is just 1. So the first term is 3. I'm noticing that my first term is always this first number right here, every time. Okay, this is the second term is a sub 2 equals 3 times negative 4 to the 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we just have 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. And that's going to be my next term. And the third term is going to be 3 times negative 4 to the 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, so we're squaring negative 4, which becomes a positive 16 because negative times negative is positive. And 3 times 16 is 48. So we'll type in 48. And the last one, our fourth term, is 3 times negative 4 to the 4 minus 1. And that's negative 4 cubed. No. Yeah, negative 4 cubed is a negative 64. So I need to do 3 times negative 64, which is negative 192, I believe. Let me just do that real quick. Yeah. So negative 192. And that's just what it is. Good job. Okay, so here's this is this topic, and you just want to substitute 1, 2, 3, and 4 in for n and find the first 4 terms. So good luck with this topic.